What's going on, guys? My name's Jennifer Altman. I've been a Nesta certified fitness trainer since 2013. In today's video, I'm gonna be taking you through my third workout of my Let's Get Shredded challenge. Today, we're gonna be hitting shoulders. And if you know me, I have been trying to get bolder shoulders for the longest time. And this workout is exactly what I need to achieve that. If you missed the first and second workout, be sure to head over to my channel to catch up. And if you haven't already, you can download this challenge at fitbyjennifer.com. This challenge is completely free, so I would definitely hop on if I were you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. But without further ado, let's dive into today's workout. What is going on, Fit Bees? Welcome to today's workout. Shoulders is my favorite day, and of course I'm going to be starting off with push-ups. Here I'm getting about 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. If you can't perform these push-ups on the ground, I highly suggest going on a bench at an incline and performing them that way. Okay, moving on, we have our shoulder press. Here I'm just using dumbbells. You can either use barbells, dumbbells, or even a Smith machine. I'll be getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Okay, moving on to our upright rows. Here I'm using a kettlebell. You can also perform this exercise with a barbell or even dumbbells. I'm getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Moving on, we have our lateral raises. I'm using dumbbells for the lateral raises, and I'm getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Moving on, we have our front raises. Here I'm doing alternating front raises. You can easily do them together, but I like to switch it up, so I'm getting 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Moving on, we have our rear delts. So here I'm lying forward on a low bench. So my chest is kind of parallel to the ground, and they're basically like lateral raises, but you're hitting your rear delts instead. I'm gonna get 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Okay, last is our 100 reps of abs. Here I'm doing hip dips. And then the second exercise I chose today are my plank hip slides. So I did 20 reps alternating each exercise until I got a total of 100 reps. Okay guys, that wraps up today's workout. Thank you so much for tuning in, and till next time, peace.